Indore is the largest city in Madhya Pradesh and it's also known as Mini Mumbai. Indore is super famous for its palaces, temples, night markets and also the street food. In this video, we're going to be bringing you the top 10 best budget hotels in Indore with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below should you wish to book any of these hotels. Hotel Vrindavan Palace. This lovely budget-friendly hotel is centrally located just about 1.7 kilometers away from the railway station, due to which the access to public transport, shopping areas, restaurants are very easy to access. A lot of tourist attractions like the zoo and the museums are at a walking distance. The property is fairly new, so it gives you a very fresh, vibrant and soothing vibes. The staff here is also very well trained and they are always at your service. The rooms at the hotel is very comfortable, cozy and you will definitely get a good night's sleep out here. The pricing of the rooms here is around 1,800 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Play Hotel in Sonash, Indore. This hotel is located in the busiest commercial areas of Indore. Thanks to the amazing location, getting access to public transport is super easy. The hotel is budget friendly, which makes it easy for those of you who are traveling on a budget for a holiday to Indore with your family or friends. They also have an event space, a business meeting room to host any type of conferences or meetings. People who are traveling to Indore for work can also choose this hotel as it's quite complete on the business point. The rooms here are very well equipped with a mini fridge, TV, tea and coffee making machine, free Wi-Fi access and a separate seating area. They also have room service facilities available 24/7. The pricing of the rooms here is around 2,700 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Hotel B-Town. The location of this hotel is amazing. Getting access to the public transportation is super easy. This is a great budget-friendly hotel if you're visiting Indore for business or even with your family. They have a restaurant serving some delicious, lovely food and they also have a lot of restaurants around the hotel itself. They have a room service facility available and you can also choose to dine in at the restaurant depending upon your choice. The services by the staff here is great and gives you amazing services so that your stay is very comfortable. The rooms here are neat, hygienic and spacious and very well maintained and the pricing of the rooms here is around 1,900 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Gandhi Hall. This hotel is just about 5 minutes walk away from the Indore Junction train station and 1 kilometer away from Rajwada Palace. The hotel is very well located, the public transport and a lot of food joints and restaurants are very close by from this hotel. The hospitality of the staff here is superb and they also maintain a great hygiene and cleanliness all over the hotel. The hotel provides breakfast every morning at their in-house restaurant and the food here is also amazing. Rooms here are very well maintained, hygienic and they are also very well neat. The pricing of the rooms here is around 610 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Omni Palace. This lovely vibrant hotel is located just in the busy areas of Indore and a lot of tourist attractions are at a distance of 5 to 6 kilometers. There are many restaurants and local food joints just around the corner itself. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant which serves some delicious local food and it is definitely a must try. The staff here is really helpful and goes an extra mile in making sure that your stay is super comfortable. The rooms here are very bright and very well equipped with a TV, a wardrobe, tea and coffee maker, dressing table, attached bathroom with free toiletries. The pricing of the rooms here is around 1,900 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. If this video helps you out, don't forget to drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Hotel Ambassador. This is a 2-star budget-friendly hotel located just about 15 minutes away from the Indore railway station. The hotel is located in the center from the most important and tourist places that you have to visit in Indore. The hotel also offers a car rental service which you can hire at an additional cost to plan your day trips to explore Indore. They also have airport pickup and drop facilities at an additional cost. The hotel has options of AC and non-AC rooms. Depending on your budget, you can choose them. Pricing of the rooms is around 1,700 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Hotel New Sundar. This is a 3-star budget-friendly hotel located in Indore providing with great services and facilities. It's a complete family-friendly and a couple-friendly hotel and best if you're looking out for a budget stay during your holiday in Indore. It is a 7-minute walk away from the railway station, making it centrally located and making it super easy to access. They provide amazing food and great quality food at their restaurant with a variety of options available. Great location, great facilities, services and also good food is all you need to make sure that your stay is super amazing at a hotel. The rooms here are very cozy and comfortable and the pricing of the rooms here is around 1,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. Hotel Divya Palace. This hotel is located in one of the most busiest and the noisiest streets of Indore, making it centrally located. The access to public transport, local food joints and restaurants is very easy. It's a great family hotel, but the hotel is restricted to only Indian nationals, so make sure that you have a valid ID card. The hotel has a banquet hall, a meeting room, a restaurant serving great quality food and also parking is available. The hotel is also couple friendly, but couples have to be married to be staying in this hotel. The rooms here are super nice, white and super bright, equipped with TV, a kettle for tea and coffee, free Wi-Fi access and the pricing of the rooms here can go as low as to 690 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Prime Avenue. This hotel is about a 3-minute walk away from the nearest bus stop and 2 kilometers away from a C21 mall. Thanks to its amazing location, the shopping areas, restaurants and even public transportation is very easy to to access. They have a beautiful restaurant on the terrace which gives you lovely city views with amazing quality food. Breakfast is provided every morning at this hotel, which is definitely a must try. The rooms here are very bright and colorful, giving you very fresh and relaxed ambience. They have a free Wi-Fi access and even a TV and room service is available. The pricing of the rooms here is around 1,700 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Hotel Purva. This lovely budget-friendly hotel is located 8 minutes away from the Indore railway station. The location is amazing and it gives you easy access to public transportation very easily. A lot of local food joints and restaurants are also around the hotel should you wish to try the local food of Indore. The rooms are simply furnished with TV. Some of the upgraded rooms also have an AC, separate seating area, a mini fridge and room services available 24/7. The pricing of the rooms is around 1,400 rupees. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. We also created a list of the top 10 best premium hotels in Indore and you can view the video right here. If you're looking for more cheaper options of hotels, you can view the video right here. This is Divya from Madeira Travel signing off. Stay safe, keep smiling and see you next time. Bye bye.